Okay, this is the final tutorial for your Where I'm From, or actually Poetry in Motion project. So, whatever poem you wrote and you're creating a video about it. Essentially, it's a slideshow. So, you need to make sure before you export your project that you have an opening title, that you have a mixture of archival photos, baby photos, original photos, current photos. There's another baby photo mixed with stock images for any images that you don't have photos taken of. You can also use some video if you took any video clips. Um, and that you have at least about 16 photos to match all the lines of your poem, and 5 of those are original. And then you also need an end credit. So it looks like I haven't added my end credit yet, but you would want to do that before you export your project. So to export your project, oh, and also you need a soundtrack. You've got your voiceover, but you also need to find a soundtrack with music that relates to your project, add some emotional tone to it, and you want to cut and fade out your music at the end of your piece. Go ahead and watch the other tutorial videos to find out how to do that. So you're going to come up to this button that says finish up at the top right corner when you're done with your video. I want you to title it the name of your poem. So mine's Where I'm From. And this is a rough cut. So rough cut is like that, just so that we know, because when you're exporting versions of your project, you need to know what version it is. So this one's just a rough cut. You want to make it HD. That's the fullest, best quality that you can make it. And your destination is to download, but also you can also add it to your Google Drive. So I'm going to put it in my Google Drive as well. And I'm just going to click export. And what's going to happen is this is going to process. It's going to take probably about 3 minutes, depending on how long your video is. These aren't too long, so they won't take that long to process. And then you're going to get a little link at the bottom when that happens, once it's over. And you're going to need to press on that link with the down arrow so that you can download it into your files. And then that is the file that you're going to upload to Google Classroom under the assignment that says Poetry in Motion Rough Cuts. I think mine's going to take a little bit longer because I left some photos towards the end of my timeline, which makes my video longer to process. But you can see this bar right here tells you how much time you have. So just wait, be patient, don't distract your teammates. Go help somebody else who's stuck. I don't know, read a book, make a meme, whatever you got to do, but wait till it actually processes your whole video. And then again, there's going to be a down arrow. I'll show you that in a second. Once this processes, but know that there's one more step after this. Once it's finished, you're going to get a link. You press the down arrow, download it, and then attach that to Google Classroom. That's how you know you've turned in your video, because Miss Lisa cannot see your video from this version right here. So I need your actual exported MP4 project. That's a video file. Looks like mine's almost done. If you want to speed up through this video and see what it's going to look like, you can go ahead and do that. There it is. Okay, you see this link right here and this little down arrow. This is what you want to press. This is just to view it. I don't want your link. If you give me your link, I can't see that video. So I need a downloaded version. So click on that and you're going to notice it's downloading onto your computer as an MP4 file. That's a video file. That's what you want to attach to Google Classroom. Got it? Good.